Namaste. So today's our topic is protein binding. So let's start. The interacting molecule are generally the macromolecules such as the protein, DNA or adipose. The protein are particularly responsible for such an interaction. The phenomena of complex formation of drug with protein is called as protein binding of drug. As a protein bound drug is neither metabolized nor excreted, hence it is pharmacologically inactive due to its pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic inertness. Protein plus drug is protein drug complex. Protein binding may be intracellular or extracellular. Mechanism of protein drug binding. Binding of drug to protein is generally of reversible or irreversible change. Reversible generally involve weak chemical bonds such as hydrogen bound, hydrophobic bond, ionic bond, van der Waals forces. Irreversible drug binding through Rhea arises as a result of covalent binding and is often a reason for the carcinogenicity of tissue, toxicity of the drug. So you can see this protein drug binding of drug to various tissue component and its influence on decomposition and clinical response. Note that only the unbound drug move reversibly between the compartment. So you can see this how drug is bind to the plasma protein in the blood, then it goes to the tissue and the liver. Here the drug and enzyme is metabolized and then it is excreted in the bile excretion, but in the tissue it goes to the receptor and give pharmacological effect. And same in the kidney, when the protein drug binding goes, the drug is carried out by carrier, active secretion, then excretion in the urine. Binding of drug to blood component, a plasma protein drug binding. The binding of drug to plasma protein is reversible. The exert of order of binding of drug to the plasma protein is albumin, then alpha 1 acid glycoprotein, then lipoprotein, then globulin. Binding of drug to the human serum albumin. It is the most abundant plasma protein, 59% having molecular weight of 65,000 with large drug binding capacity. Both endogenous compounds such as fatty acid, bilirubin as well as drug binding to HSA. 4 different sites on HSA for drug binding is site 1 warfarin and azapropazole binding site. Site 2 is diazepam binding site. Site 3 is digitoxin binding site and site 4 is tamoxifen binding site. Binding of the drug to alpha 1 acid glycoprotein. It has a molecular weight of 44,000 and plasma concentration range of 0.04 to 0.1 gram per cent. It binds to number of basic drugs like imipramine, lidocaine, propranolol and quinidine. Binding of drug to lipoprotein is binding by hydrophobic bond, non-competitive, molecular weight of 2 to 34 lakh Dalton, lipid core composition of inside triglyceride and cholesterol acetate, outside is apoprotein, acidic is diclofenac, neutral is cyclosporin, and basic is chloramphenicol. Fourth is the binding of drug to the globulin. So you can see this table and you can refer this and different binding of the drug with the globulin. So hope you will understand this. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.